everyone, I have a Martin 12 string and unfortunately I cannot find an off-the-shelf pickguard for it. So I wanted to show you how I made a template. This is a guitar that had the notorious shrinking pickguard. So what I did is I took a piece of white paper and I put it down onto the guitar, and I also used some carbon paper. First of all, what I did is I lined up, you'll have to excuse me because I already did this, but I wanted to show you what I did. I lined up the carbon paper on top of the white paper, make sure that I had the correct side down to make the trace. And then what I did is I took a spoon and I went over the carbon paper around the pickguard area because the pickguard is raised. So again, I put this underneath the guitar and taped it on there all around. And then I used a spoon and I went around like this, where I know where the edges were of that pickguard. And this is what I came out with, which is pretty detailed and will enable me now to cut this out and send it to a custom pickguard manufacturer and hopefully get a pickguard for this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps somebody out. Thanks.